My people, they say that palace is on fire. The palace is on fire as Olori Tobiloba don storm palace with her twins. This time around, whether you want it or not, these babies must enter the palace. So that is what we heard allegedly. You know that Olori Tobiloba, she have been in fear. She's seriously afraid that Kabiyesi maybe Kabiyesi have abandoned her. That is what she have been thinking, that Kabiyesi don forsake her already. And she's in fear. And you wouldn't blame her. Oh. Hey, I don't know. Kabiyesi. Anyway, it's not Kabiyesi's fault. It is Olori Tobiloba's fault. Tobiloba knows exactly what to do, but she refuses to do. She wants Kabiyesi to bring her back to the palace, welcome her with her twins. Kabiyesi have shown her that na Kabiyesi na him be Onirisha, the first class monarch. Kabiyesi the Enitan, the Oba Enitan Ojaja the second. Okay, let me not continue to call the names, even the ones I know and the ones I don't know. So they said that the elders, like there were 4 elders in the palace waiting for Kabiyesi when they saw Olori Tobiloba enter the palace. My correct people. Tobiloba entered the palace, and one of the elder was like, our daughter, this one, okay, our wife, this one, your face is like this. What is happening? Are you happy at all? They said that she was like, where is Kabiyesi? Where is Kabiyesi? If Kabiyesi refuses to do this thing, I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to do it myself. As in, she was ranting, making noise. And one of them now got up and went to her. Come and tell me what is the problem. Come and tell me what is the problem. And they said that the man called her aside and asked her, my daughter, what is it? What is your problem? You're not looking good. You're not looking happy. And she started saying that it is Kabiyesi all this while. That what Kabiyesi is, the way Kabiyesi is treating her, that the thing is not good to her. She don't like it again. That Kabiyesi is supposed to welcome her and her babies back to the palace. In short, why she have come now is to do the dedication herself. That Kabiyesi is supposed to dedicate her children, and they welcome her back officially back to the palace. But Kabiyesi refuses to do any of this. But why she have come now is to do the dedication herself, and she must do it. And and the elder was like, my daughter, calm down. Do you say that these babies are Kabiyesi's own? Of course, Kabiyesi was the one that announced the arrival of these your babies. So why are you now making noise as if Kabiyesi would not welcome his own baby? Are you sure that these babies are Kabiyesi's own? And she said yes. The man now told her, yes, I believe you, because Kabiyesi was the one that announced the arrival of this baby. But the problem is that so many stories started backing up the baby's arrival and the paternity of the babies. And that is, I think the man was telling her that was why he thought Kabiyesi decided not to welcome those babies. Did Kabiyesi ask you to do anything at all that you refuses to do? She said that it was this DNA test that they are talking about. The man told her to calm down. Just, I'm discussing with you as father and daughter. I understand your plight. I understand what you are passing through. Did Kabiyesi ask you to do anything and you refuse to do it? She said that it's DNA test. Okay, have you done it? That there is no need of doing DNA test, because when Kunomi gave birth, Kabiyesi did not ask her to do DNA test. What? The man was like, do you know what is your problem? Your problem is Queen Naomi. Your problem is Queen Naomi. You cannot leave Queen Naomi out of anything that you say. If you leave Queen Naomi and focus on yourself, focus on what you are doing, focus on your children and the Kabiyesi, your problem is half solved. But what I noticed now that is your problem is that you cannot say any little thing without Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi did not do anything to you. The earlier you understand that Queen Naomi is Kabiyesi's love of life, that is, Kabiyesi love Queen Naomi with everything he has, that's the better. But if he's to advise you, he will advise you to go and take these babies. Where is the babies safe? They said that the babies are around this Ile-Ife, but they are not in the palace. And she was like, I'm going to bring these babies into this palace and dedicate them myself, since Kabiyesi wouldn't want to dedicate these babies. And the man was like, it's not as simple as you are seeing it. If you bring these babies into this palace without Kabiyesi's approval and welcoming you back, you are going to cause more problem for yourself, and Queen will not be there when you be suffering for it, and nobody is going to blame Queen for anything. So if you know what is good for you, carry these babies and go back to wherever you are staying, that he is going to talk to Kabiyesi when Kabiyesi comes back. And Toby was like, that the man should talk to Kabiyesi, that she have given Kabiyesi enough time, that when the man asked her, did Queen Naomi dedicate her own children by her by herself? And she said that nobody dragged Queen Naomi the way Kabiyesi is dragging her. Kabiyesi gives Queen Naomi attention, show her love and affection, but her own is Kabiyesi decided to show her wickedness. Now what Kabiyesi is doing right now is showing her wickedness, that she cannot take it anymore. She's coming back to the palace with these twins, and she's coming to dedicate the twins, this and that. Yay, my correct people. Kai. The man told her that you are going so far. Be calming down now. Polotawa. Anyway, my correct people, they said that the man later told her that, look, I understand what you are passing through, but I'm going to speak to Kabiyesi. In short, all of us here, we are going to speak to Kabiyesi. If there's anything that Kabiyesi needs to do to welcome you back to the palace, Kabiyesi will do it. But you don't have to bring these babies into this palace or to do the dedication yourself. You cannot even do it. You want to bring problem upon yourself, all right? And if there is anything that Kabiyesi asks you to do that you have not done, try as much as possible to do that one. It will help you as well. And she said, okay, that the whole thing is pissing her off. All Kabiyesi did was to welcome Queen Naomi back to the palace. That she is supposed to be the one that Kabiyesi is supposed to welcome back to the palace with her babies. Now Kabiyesi just welcomed Queen Naomi back. That what have Queen Naomi done special? Queen Naomi that abandoned Kabiyesi and went her way. That is the same Queen Naomi that Kabiyesi is now focusing all his attention to. Every little thing that Queen Naomi wants, Kabiyesi will do for Queen Naomi. But if it is her, Kabiyesi will not even look her part. Hey. If you see how her mouth was running like, you'll be like, is this one tap? Anyway, guys, don't forget that all of these are all alleged information. But one thing is certain, Tobiloba cannot do the dedication herself. She just making mouth. She just wants to seek attention. That is just what people call her attention seeker. Anyway, thank you, and don't forget that they are all alleged though. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. If you have not given this video a thumbs up, please try and give my video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.